Hey guys, welcome to Online Study for You, your one-step solution for all your placement needs. So guys, today's video is gonna be quite interesting. In today's video, we are about to discuss how you can crack a higher package comparing to the average package that you all would be holding. The average package is 3.5, 3.6 or most probably 3.8. But guys, how you can crack a package that is above 7 lakh per annum. So I'm going to be sharing one little secret that will help you to crack higher package at IT companies. So guys, before starting this video, I want to tell you that guys, if you are satisfied with your average package, with your 3.5 or 3.8 package, then you do not need to watch this video. But if you want to crack a higher package, if you want to upgrade yourself to a higher package, then you have to watch this video. Because guys, what happens is a package of 7 lakh per annum is a good choice for starting your career in an IT field, in the industry of computer science and information technology, because after that you won't be looking down. You will just be getting promotion and your package will be just increasing. So it is a better approach to get a double package, of 3.5. So let's look for a comparatively higher package. So what is the secret, guys? How can you get the higher package? So guys, one of the thing that I want to clear you about is there are many misconceptions about a higher package. So what does it require to get a higher package? So are there any special certification, like do the certificate of Red Hat or Oracle and then you will get a higher package? Or are there any special industrial trainings, or you should know any good technology like AI, ML, blockchain, cloud computing, etc.? Or are there any special branch is given, like only computer science and IT student will be getting a higher package, not mechanical, civil, electrical? Or all above mentioned things are just a rumor? So guys, I'm just clearing you all these doubts right now. No guys, no certification is needed if you want to get a higher job. Okay, no any special industrial training is required. You do not need to know ABCD of AI ML. You do not need to know anything about these big technologies. And no, not any special branches given preference. Okay, in some companies they prefer CS and IT students, so they will only allow CS and IT student to sit in their company examination. But mostly companies do not prefer any special branch. If you are good, you will be hired at the package whatever you want, at a higher package. So guys, all these things are rumor. Okay, so another thing, so you do not need any of the things mentioned in the previous slides. Yeah, I already told you. Okay guys, I also want to talk about one important. Don't fall for certificate is just a piece of paper. Real power is in knowledge. So guys, keep one thing in mind, that certificates are just overrated. If you have done any certification and if you do not know anything about that, that is worthless. The interviewer will be asking you only the thing that you have mentioned in your resume, whether you have its certificate or not. You should know about that thing. So knowledge is the power. Don't fall for certificate will add zero value to your resume as well as the package that you are acquiring at a job. Okay, so what is the little secret for higher packages? Okay guys, so you all know that secret and you would have experienced that how you can get that package. So you just need a proper strategy to implement it. So I'm going to reveal the package in the secret in the next slide. So the secret is you have to be good at coding. Yeah, that thing. You will be like, hey, I know that I have to be good at coding, but how to be good at coding, that is what I will be sharing with you in this video as well. Okay, secret is you have to be good at coding and you can get the job at 7 lakh per annum or more than that. So 7 lakh is just a starting. The number go beyond 15 or 20 lakh. Okay, so keep that thing in mind. Okay, so first of all, let's do a little bit of observation. So what is the pattern of a 3.5 LPA company? So first they will be conducting an aptitude test which will contain reasoning and quantitative aptitude. Then there will be English test, verbal test. You will be judged based on your essay writing, your communication skill, and there will be basic coding test. Some companies will do this coding test or some will skip it, and after that interview. So this is the typical pattern of a 3.5 LPA company. So as you can see, for 3.5 LPA company, they are also conducting a coding test. So guys, you cannot stay away from coding if you want to get placed in an IT company, even if you want to get hired at a 3.5 LPA package. Okay, so there will be basic coding question that anyone can do, but let's have a look at a pattern of a company at 7 plus LPA package. Okay, if you are sitting for any company that is offering 7 LPA or more than 7 LPA, then there will be definitely an aptitude test, English test, coding test, basic coding test, and after there will be one thing, that advanced coding test. So this is what we are talking about. You have to clear this advanced coding test to get placed in any company at this figure, at 7 plus figure, and then you will be just on your interview, and your interview you will also be asked coding question. So as you can see, and TCS also, TCS come at 3.5 LPA for Ninja, and in Ninja they were asking coding question and all these. But if you want to upgrade to TCS Digital, there will be an advanced coding round. There will be a coding round where will be advanced coding question, so you have to prepare for that. Also, it also happened with Cognizant came with a 4.1 package, and there was also a position which was Gen C Next, and for Gen C Next there was an advanced coding round. The person clearing the advanced coding round for getting a package of 6.75 to 7 lakh per annum. So if in all the companies one thing is common, if you want to get a higher package, then you have to be good at coding, you have to learn advanced coding test. Okay, so how to be good at coding? So just two sentences: learn a language with all basics clear, and practice, practice and practice. You have to practice like hell. You have to practice so much, because then only your brain will get developed to understand the logic and solve the problem as soon as possible. And guys, we are also starting live coding classes from tomorrow from our programming expert Mr. Sridhar sir. So guys, if you are not good at coding, then you can just take over these live classes, and over these live classes will you to be good at coding and crack any coding interview, any coding question in any company. So guys, let me show you the syllabus of this live coding classes. Okay, so there will be 5 days a week class where we have basics of programming, conditional statements, theory and coding on pointers, and the most important thing in coding, data structure, stack and queue, linked list, hashing concepts, searching algorithm. And we also have coding problems, a lot of problems to practice with theory explanation. So this will give you a strong foundation which will help you to crack any coding interview. If you do not know anything, if you want to start from scratch, then also you can just take our live coding classes. Its price is just 349 rupees, which is a very much less price. You will find complete link in the description, and all the information about this coding classes in the description. Click on the link and just enroll for our live coding classes which are starting tomorrow. Guys, it's not too late. Just enroll and get placed at a company at a higher package. Okay guys, so now we have understood the secret. The secret is you have to be good at coding. It doesn't matter if you are from CS, IT, mechanical, civil, whichever branch you are, you can if you are good at coding, you can get any package that you want. Okay, so what are the most important topics to practice? This is the most important slide of this whole video. Okay, so you have to be good at mathematical programs. When I'm talking about mathematical programs, you have to go at Fibonacci series. You have to be good at finding palindrome, and you have to be good at mathematical combinations and permutations. You have to just grasp all these concepts at basic, and you have to code them. After that, you have to be good at array programs. So creating sub arrays and creating performing operations on array, giving output after performing multiple operations on arrays, storing elements in an array. You have to be good at all array programs. Then you have to be good at string programs, where you will be manipulating with string. So string manipulation program. Then guys, greedy algorithm. Mostly companies ask greedy algorithms. 70 to 80% of their questions will be from greedy algorithms. So you have to practice and learn greedy algorithm. This is very good algorithm for any company where you will be getting a package of 7 LPA. Then matrix program also you have to practice. So I will say just get good at the basics and practice. And here is the strategy that you all might be waiting for. Learn and understand the concepts, then practice on HackerRank, CodeChef regularly. Okay, So understand the concept. That is the most important thing. If you do not know concept, then your practice would be worthless. So you have to understand the concept from basic, that how this thing is working. If you are creating a program on Fibonacci series, then what is how that thing is working, how recursion is working, or how iteration is working if you are using a iterative approach, how array programs are working, what is happening in the memory. Just you have to understand the basic and you can crack any program. So strategy would be learn and understand the concept, practice on HackerRank and CodeChef. On HackerRank and CodeChef, the standard company programs are given. So using those, you will get familiar with the programs that are asked in the companies and the concepts will be same. Okay. So very important tip is coming in the next slide. The very important tip is be good with the basics. So being good with the basics is the most important thing that you will all require. So you all have to be good with the basics, because if you're not good at basic of programming, if you do not know the basics, then it will not work for you all. So you have to keep one thing in mind, that you have to be good at basics. And for being good at basics, from starting from scratch, from keeping your basics so much strong, you should take our live coding classes, which is 349 rupees. So link is in description and you can enroll just now. And I can assure you that Sridhar sir has 10 years of experience in coding, so he will be teaching you coding very well. So that enroll for our class and go and start practicing, guys. Don't waste any time, learn the concept. You can also prefer Geeks for learning your concepts, and our live coding classes we have covered all the important thing. Go and start practicing, and I wish you will crack your coding placement for a package of more than 7 lakh per annum plus. Good luck, guys. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to our channel for more placement videos like this.